I can't do anything with it until it's 100% done, and now it's 100% done. At it. You can see here, this bottom right one didn't really do too good. It didn't do a good job, but all the rest of them, it looks like it pretty much expanded it. It expanded it and zoomed out. Now it gave me a little bit more room over here on the side, but it left the images intact, right? It's pretty much the same images, but you'll notice the left side of each image will have something slightly different. Like this one has this long fruit right here. This one has the little small oranges. This one has what looks like bananas. That's because it's expanded that left side, right? So then I'll go, oh, okay, I really like the idea of going with this long fruit. So that would be upscale number 2. And then I would take that upscale number 2. We're taking just that an image, and I go, that one's the one that I like the best. And there it is. There's the full image. Now I can just download this one and save image as, and save it to my desktop. Okay, save it wherever. Now I can zoom out again. And I can kind of do this a couple times just to kind of get myself some options, and this really just takes seconds. Now, while that's going, let's go over here to golf.